Imagine a battlefield helicopter without a cockpit, no pilot, no seats, just mission. Meet the U-Hawk. The future of air power has taken off. The S-70 UAS U-Hawk is built on the legendary Black Hawk heritage, but reimagined for a new era. With the cockpit removed and replaced by twin clamshell doors and a front loading ramp, this machine gains 25% more internal cargo space than a conventional UH-60L. It can swallow 4-joint modular intermodal containers or even mount a HIMARS rocket pod or 2 naval strike missiles, turning logistics into launch. Powered by advanced fly-by-wire controls and the Matrix autonomy suite, the U-Hawk flies without a pilot. Controlled at the tap of a tablet, it can self-deploy over 1,600 nautical miles, loiter for up to 14 hours, and still deliver heavy external loads, just like its crewed predecessor. Compact, powerful, and mission-flexible, logistics, strike, drone launch, ground vehicle deploy. The U-Hawk is a multi-role rotorcraft for a changed world. The S-70 UAS U-Hawk isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. When the stakes are high, when risk is real, this helicopter goes where humans don't. Will you be ready for the next gen of aviation? Hit like, subscribe, and don't miss the future in action.